All right, Pitbull crew, I know you have been seeing the momentum trades have crazy results, so I don't want to keep holding these back from you guys. The momentum pit is cool because it also works for both day trades and swing trades. So we have zero DTE, just day trades. We have Turtle Pit and Pit Power Plays as just swing trades. And then the momentum pit is a mix of both. So it also has three different features here. You have the alerts, you have the indicator, and you have the scanner. So the alerts are going to be a telegram room, the momentum pit, that's going to send the best trades from the scanner at 4 different times per day. So at 9:45 a.m. you'll see the opening range breakout. At 10:30 a.m. you'll see the extended range breakout. At 11:30 a.m. you'll see an alert if something breaks the high or the low of the day. And at 1 p.m. you may get a continuation signal. Now these don't necessarily fire every day. You'll get up to 4 alerts every day. You'll definitely get at least 1 or 2. I'd say on average we get 3 to 4 most days. So more alerts than any of the other programs, which can be a little noisy for people. So if you don't like to deal with a lot of alerts, if you're happy with 1 a week or something, Pit Power Plays is definitely a better fit. If you just have a little time in the morning or a little time in the afternoon, it might be a better fit for zero DTE. But if you have plenty of time to trade, you trade all the time, or maybe if just one of these times works for you, you don't have to take all these trades. Maybe you just take the opening range break every morning. That's fine as well. But you also have trades on demand with this service, which is cool. So you'll have the alerts and the indicator. So you can pop the indicator on your trading view and customize the range breaks. So customize the number of candles on the look back, customize the time frames you're looking at, things like that. And then the scanner's awesome. Probably one of the best scanners I've ever built. Because, I don't know, that's pushing it, but you can customize your times. You could set it to be 9:30 to 9:45 opening range breaks, 10:30 or 9:30 to 10:30. You could just do the 9:45 break. You can only look at bullish breaks. You can customize the range, high low, pre-market high, pre-market low breaks. So lots of variety there depending on what kind of trader you are, your own strategy. Range breaks in general are a easy to follow, systematic way for retail or new traders to trade, but also a very logical and smart way for experienced traders to trade. I trade range breaks a lot. And even with like our zero DTE alerts, we're looking at the best zero DTE for the day, and then we're watching for a range break, and then we're watching for a pullback to the mean and things like that. So range breaks are used in tons of different trades. Turtle trades are just breaking out of a much longer range for days and days and days. So then you get the scanner down here. Cool part about this as well, you also get bearish and bullish. So if market takes a massive dump, you are still able to get paid. And it'll tell you the time that it happened, how far it was from the range when it happened, relative volume. RVol is one of the most important things to me. And then come down here. So if you want to, you could pull up the chart so you kind of have a live view as you're deciding what to go with. Looks like this one played out real nice. Hope you guys grab these. You can add it to your watch list if you just want to watch it later. That's in your dashboard somewhere. And it gives me the option to send these to my Telegram. I'm not sure what it'll show on yours as not an admin. I think it'll probably have to add it to, where would you add these? Your journal. I think that button will send it to your journal, but you guys let me know. But it has the best day trade contract, and then it has the best day trade spread and the best swing trade spread. So for the best day trade contract, it's 2 days out. I want to put there. That baby probably printed today. The spread is just a 50-cent spread for 17 cents. It's crazy. And the swing trade is just a spread that's a little farther out for 22 cents. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm going to start giving you guys access to this momentum pit. We'll start advertising it. This will be the next one we release. Momentum and Turtle are coming next. So the two main offers that we've had so far, strategies that we've allowed people to get in on have been the zero DT and pit power plays. We're going to be adding the turtle pit and the momentum pit to that. If day trades are your thing, if swing trading spreads are your thing, if range breaks are your thing, or if you've never heard of any of those things and you want to learn about them, this is the place to be. I highly recommend jumping in this service. Not financial advice, of course. Everything is risky as a biscuit, but this one has had some wild success. All right, so I'll be sharing some various screenshots and successes. If you see the Telegram wins group in the free room, you'll notice these coming through a lot, probably because it's the only one that it gives 4 alerts per day. 4 alerts per day. That's crazy. And I think the offer that we're doing for this is to try it out, $21 for 21 days. Jump on that deal. It's a hell of an offer. Highly recommend it. Hope to see you in the momentum pit soon. Good luck out there, and peace. Play it safe.